Hello everyone. After last time I have shown you how to make the filter from our Kenya, which was at the moment new arrival in our roastery. Today I will show you how to make an espresso from our currently bestseller Ethiopia. This Ethiopia, it's Guji and anaerobic natural process. It's perfectly roasted for espresso and coffees with milk. So today, let me show you how to make one delicious, juicy and smooth espresso out of these very good Ethiopian beans. So let's grind our coffee. When we are making the specialty coffee, we are usually grinding the fresh dose of coffee for which will make our espresso. In this case, we are aiming for 18 grams of freshly grounded coffee. It's recommended to properly level the grounds, distribute as well, slowly and gently, to tamp evenly and ergonomically. Clean the loose grounds from the surface of the portafilter. We need to flush our group head, and after flushing we need to clean the drip tray from the remaining water. When that's done, we can engage our portafilter in the group head to set up the scale, to tare the cups on zero, so we can measure our yield that is extracted to the cups. We are starting our extraction, and here extraction of this smooth and juicy espresso has started. Our aim is to extract 36 grams of the coffee into the cups. In this case, we are splitting into 2 single shots of espresso, since I personally like single shots over full shots. It brings me more balance and sweetness, and I'm enjoying more in drinking it. Before we start to drink our coffee, we can stir our coffee with the spoons 2 to 3 times, and we can start sipping. This coffee has the notes of the tropical fruits, red grapes, dark chocolate, and the smooth body. Very delicious coffee, which you can order on our online shop. Thank you for watching.